What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to Gadgets Uncovered. Today we're exploring 30 incredible gadgets, from levitating globes and electric inflators to smart chargers and wireless earbuds. If you're ready to discover some seriously cool tech, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. Now, let's jump right in. Flagest Floating Levitating Globe. The floating levitating globe is a stunning piece of technological art that combines elegance and innovation. Using magnetic levitation, it suspends a slim globe in mid-air, creating a visually captivating effect. The globe displays a detailed world map with political borders and geographic elements, gently rotating to offer a dynamic and fascinating view of Earth. Ugreen Nexode Robot Charger. The Ugreen Nexode is a playful 65W charger with a robot face that reacts to charging, making tech functional and fun. It delivers super fast charging, powering a MacBook Air M2 to 51% in just 30 minutes. The LED display features expressive animations that change to show charging status. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Built with efficient GaN technology and multiple safety protections, it's both powerful and secure for all your charging needs. K10 Max Drone. The K10 Max is a foldable, entry-level brushless drone featuring 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning for stable hovering, and a 3-axis stabilized camera capable of up to 4K resolution. It is designed for beginners, offering multiple speed modes, 1-key takeoff or landing, and a flight time of approximately 25 minutes. It features brushless motors for improved power and durability. Oak Ironway Pro Electric Inflator. Let me introduce the incredible Oak Ironway Pro Electric Inflator. With a powerful 6,000 mAh battery, this device is the perfect tool for water sports lovers and paddle surf enthusiasts. Its ergonomic and compact design makes it easy to transport and store. Thanks to its high power, this inflator can fully inflate your paddleboard in just minutes, saving you time and energy so you can enjoy the water even more. 12 South Forte for iPhone. The 12 South Forte for iPhone is a premium charging and viewing stand designed for Apple devices. It supports MagSafe, keeps your phone stable, and positions it at an ergonomic viewing angle for hands-free use during calls, videos, or work. Wireless Charging Alarm Clock. The wireless charging alarm clock combines smart charging with customizable alarms, helping you wake up smoothly while keeping devices powered. Streamline your bedside setup with this multifunctional device. EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter. The EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter supports outlets in over 150 countries, making global charging simple and stress-free. Never worry about incompatible plugs when traveling internationally. It is equipped with built-in 10A fuse, safety shutters, and plug lock system. In addition, it is certified by RoHS, CE, and FCC, ensuring its safety and reliability. Ainope Water Bottle. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, the Ainope water bottle is both durable and safe. Its double-wall insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for 12 hours. What makes it unique is the integrated MagSafe phone holder, allowing you to securely attach your iPhone while staying hydrated. Perfect for outdoor adventures, workouts, or daily hydration needs while keeping your phone accessible. MCHAOS Power Bank. MCHAOS is the world's first wearable EDC power bank with retractable charging cable that combines functionality with style. It's always ready by your side when your phone needs a quick recharge and takes just a simple pull on the cable. It aims to provide you with the most convenient and seamless charging solution on the move, ensuring your devices never run out of power when you need them the most. The innovative design comes with a hook so that it can be effortlessly attached to your bag or slung across your body with a convenient lanyard, keeping your phone charging and your hands free for more important things. Yanko Design MagSafe Grip Stand, Origami-Inspired. Say goodbye to awkward rings and bulky accessories with this simple yet ingenious MagSafe compatible grip stand. Inspired by the Japanese art of paper folding, this deceptively unassuming helper lets you hold or prop up your iPhone whichever way you want and then folds out of your way when you're done. You can even use it to stick your phone to a metal surface like a fridge door. Comfortable, durable, and beautiful. This origami-inspired MagSafe grip lets you stop worrying or fiddling with accessories and start enjoying your iPhone anytime, anywhere. Sinjimoru Sinji Loop Wallet. The Sinjimoru silicone card holder sticks securely to the back of your phone, letting you carry essential cards without a bulky wallet. Its slim profile maintains your phone's sleek design while adding practical storage. It combines the functions of a safe credit card holder with a phone grip to prevent your iPhone or Android device from falling down. Rartop Electric Screwdriver. The Rartop Cordless Electric Screwdriver is your go-to for small projects. Rartop rechargeable electric screwdriver 3.7 V 2500 mAh 5 Nm high torque with USB to Type-C cable, fast charging and long battery life. Built-in LED light makes it easy to see in dimly areas and battery indicator like real-time monitoring of battery capacity. Screwdriver set include 30 pieces a quarter inches standard screwdriver bits which made of hardness S2 steel, robust and high performance. Make every job easier with this reliable power tool. Viltrox S05 RGB photography lighting. The Viltrox S05 is a compact 5W 108 LED portable RGB panel featuring 2800K to 6800K CCT, 360 degrees full color, and 26 FX effects, designed for vlogging, photography, and mobile apps. It includes a 2000 mAh battery offering till 70 minutes of runtime at full brightness, Bluetooth app control, a retro design, and a 1/4-inch screw mount. It offers low energy consumption, stable color temperature, energy savings, and long service life. Perfect for photography, video, vlog recording, and live broadcasting. Loop Gear, ultra-compact 360 degrees illuminating EDC flashlight. The Loop Gear SK03 is a versatile EDC flashlight designed for all your lighting needs. With innovative features like 360-degree illumination, enhanced night vision, and multiple safety protections, it's the ideal companion for any situation. Plus, its 2-year uninterrupted lighting and compatibility with 14,500 mAh batteries make it a reliable choice. With a compact size measuring between 76.5 mm in length, this flashlight sets a new standard for portability and convenience. Its diminutive form factor allows you to carry it effortlessly in your pocket, ensuring that you're always prepared for any situation. With an impressive 1000 lumens of brightness, this flashlight delivers powerful illumination. It's suitable for a wide range of tasks, from outdoor adventures to emergency situations. Boruit V10 Flashlight. The Boruit V10 Flashlight delivers intense, long-range illumination with multiple lighting modes, ideal for outdoor use and emergencies. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance in challenging conditions. Boruit V10 is equipped with a 365 nanometers UV blacklight, which can detect dirt, fluorescent agents, scorpions, money, etc. Supports detection of multinational currencies, and the counterfeit money is far away from you. Hallocool Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The Hallocool Mini Vacuum Cleaner is compact yet powerful, ideal for desks, keyboards, and hard-to-reach areas. Its strong suction removes dust, crumbs, and debris efficiently, keeping your workspace clean and organized with minimal effort. Simples by Simplbeings. Simples by Simplbeings is a water-resistant and magnetic sling bag designed for travel and daily carry. It features a built-in USB bracelet, wireless pass-through, and a bottle opener, aimed at offering a versatile, low-tech solution for everyday, on-the-go organization. Dango MC01 Money Clip. If you've ever wanted to flex your cheddar, then the Dango MC01 Money Clip with a titanium stretch clip is the best minimalist metal wallet you're looking for. Dango's MC01 Money Clip wallet is a bit of a beast, but if you want to carry cash and cash is pretty much all you carry and you carry a major wad of cash all the time, then this wallet will be for you. Password Pocket. Password Pocket is an essential app for anyone who values digital security and convenience. It acts as a virtual safe for your passwords and sensitive data. You can securely store passwords, credit card numbers, banking information, and more. Strong encryption ensures that only you have access to your data, keeping your digital life protected. Matador Droplet. The Matador Droplet is a 2.5-liter water-resistant stuff sack that stows into a silicone case and clips to your keychain or pack. Keep wet gear in, keep the elements out. Protect your valuables with this convenient, portable solution. Hey, quick reminder, if you're finding value in this video, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed to Gadgets Uncovered. We're constantly discovering practical tech that improves everyday life. Comment below with the gadget you need most. Now let's continue with more amazing products. OneTigris Fire-Retardant Mat. The OneTigris Fire-Retardant Mat provides essential protection in environments prone to sparks or fire. Made with fire-resistant materials, it prevents flame spread and protects sensitive surfaces during camping, welding, or any activity involving heat sources. Compressed Towel Tablets. These compressed towel tablets expand instantly when exposed to water, perfect for travel, camping, and hygiene on the go. Compact and convenient, they are essential for any adventure or emergency kit. FLECTR 360 Twin Bike Reflectors. The 360 Twin completely covers your rim, creating a three-dimensional surface that retro-reflects in all directions. So no matter where a car's headlights are coming from, it makes you visible. From the side, the front, or the back. FLECTR 360 Twin uses the whole rim, especially the rim apex. It utilizes this area with its double overlap to generate a powerful reflectivity, both forwards and backwards, as your wheels rotate. The reflective power, IA3C, of FLECTR 360 Twin is the highest that can be technically achieved today. And thanks to its custom material, the highly challenging application to the concave convex surface of a bicycle rim can be made durably using a flexible film carrier and special adhesive. E.g. Kimber Portable Bluetooth Speaker. This portable speaker delivers exceptional sound quality, with deep bass and clear highs for an immersive audio experience. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while Bluetooth connectivity lets you play music wirelessly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. It also includes a microSD slot and auxiliary input for added versatility. Vivolumens Wireless Portable Retro Bluetooth Speaker. The Vivolumens Bluetooth speaker combines style and performance in an elegant retro design. It delivers powerful sound with crisp clarity, making it a must-have for music and tech lovers who appreciate both aesthetics and audio quality. Air Candy Illuminated LED Inflatable Ottoman. The Air Candy Illuminated LED Inflatable Ottoman adds fun and comfort to any space. With built-in LED lighting, it creates a colorful atmosphere perfect for parties, gaming rooms, or kids' bedrooms. Its inflatable design makes it easy to store and move. Mecha Wireless Earphones. Mecha Wireless Earphones are gaming-focused TWS, true wireless stereo earbuds featuring a distinct, often metal-bodied Mecha-inspired design, RGB lighting, and Bluetooth 5.3 for low-latency, stable connections. They generally provide 4 to 6 hours of playtime, with charging cases extending this up to 40 hours. Key features include environmental noise cancellation, ENC, 4 calls, IPX5 or IPX6 water resistance, and smart touch controls. Wacom Retro Game Design Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 Earbuds. Inspired by retro video games consoles, Wacom Retro Game Design Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 Earbuds combines comfort and performance, offering a secure fit and rich audio in a sleek, compact design. These earbuds features dual MIC environmental noise cancellation, ENC, which helps it deliver impressive sound quality for everyday listening and calls. Transformers TFT 013 Earbuds. The Transformers TFT 013 earbuds feature a unique Transformers-inspired design with immersive sound and powerful bass. Perfect for fans who want their audio gear to make a bold statement. Drunk Fish Lid Bottle. Convenience on the Geo. Drunk Fish makes enjoying a drink on the go easier and less awkward. This lid is designed to fit into most wide-mouth bottles, turning your water bottle into a flask for sipping whenever or wherever. The stylish design of the bottle is inconspicuous while being sturdy, useful, and with superior insulation to keep your chaser nice and cold. And there you have it, 30 incredible gadgets that genuinely improve everyday life. So which gadget impressed you the most? Was it the floating globe, the Ugreen Nexode robot charger, the K10 Max Drone, the Ainope water bottle with MagSafe holder, the MCHAOS wearable power bank, or maybe one of those clever organizational tools? Let me know in the comments below because I genuinely love hearing what excites you most. If you enjoyed discovering these useful gadgets, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Gadgets Uncovered if you haven't already, and smash that notification bell so you're first in line when we drop the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.